Guess what I just got? Look at this thing. Just look at the box. I mean, it is funky. Whoever did their packaging, kudos. You did a great job, because this thing looks super fun. And I think it's just a battery pack. So, you know, let's see what we got here. Let's open her up. Oh yeah, this thing is fun. Set that over there. Let's pop it out. All right, it comes with some things. We'll look at those in a minute. But first, let's just look at this bad boy. What? That's fun. Cool, huh? Now on the back, it has, I think this, how's this work? I think you pull this out. Yeah, look at this. So now you've got like a stand, and so you can put your phone on this. Let me grab my phone. All right, so I guess, oh, look, you got to pull this off. I almost screwed up. So you got to take this off, right? Get rid of that. All right, so here it is. Bam. Check it out. And then, if I want, see if my coffee cup's in the way. Look at that. Kind of cool, huh? Get that out of the way. I should think about these things before I start videotaping them. So it hooks right on there, and you've got this little thing, so you can, you know, you can have your phone on there, and at the same time you can set it up and you can use it for, you know, if you're doing some video. It's kind of cool, right? Now let's go ahead and take it off the phone. It's magnetic, right? Put that over there. So it does have a USB-C on the bottom. It has a little button here. So let's go ahead and press that. See what that does. Doesn't really do anything. All right, so we may need to read the directions. So I'll hang on to that. It does come with a bag of something, which I think is a cord. Oh, wow, look at this. Wow, that is a nice one. Look at that. So it's got and it has a good color scheme. Look at it. So that's the color scheme, and check it out. These look super hefty. I mean, look at them. Look at those things. Have you ever seen a cord like that? That's insane in the membrane. I like that. That alone is worth the price of admission. So yeah, let's hang on to that. Let's take a look at this and see what the heck. It's called the MFISH Wireless Power Bank. The model is MFISH STWB1000. 2.5D optical glass. I don't know what that means. But it's not really telling me about the button on the bottom. All right, well, what are you going to do with that? All right, let's see if there's anything else. There's nothing else in the box. That's it. Does this have any information on it? Not really, but it's very, you know, it's very cool looking. All right, so let's set that there. I'm going to plug this into a USB-C that I have right here and charge it. So I'm going to just, you know, it's not its cord. It's that cord that I have on a power bank, right? So let's go ahead and pop it on there. And I don't see any lights that come on. Oh yeah, here, check it out. On the bottom, you're going to see these, I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4 lights. 2 of them are lit, one's blinking. So I'm going to let it sit there and power up. So I'll just set it on the side. And we'll come back, and then we'll use it. We won't abuse it. That's it right there. And look at this cord. Holy cow. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you cool stuff like this.